What's the hidden engine powering every successful business? It's not just a brilliant idea. It's operations management, the behind-the-scenes force that turns raw materials into the products and services we use daily. That phone in your hand, that package that arrived with impossible speed. That's all the result of a finely tuned system run by the principles of operations management. It is the art and science of getting things done efficiently and effectively. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on what operations management is, why it's so fundamental to a company's success, and how modern tech is changing the game. Section 1. What is operations management and why is it so important? At its core, operations management is the part of a business responsible for creating goods and services by turning resources, materials, people, and tech into a final product. Why is this so critical? Because it solves the biggest headaches any business faces: wasting money, high costs, and unhappy customers. Good operations management drives efficiency. By streamlining how things get done, managers cut waste and lower costs. The best example is Toyota's legendary production system, which obsesses over eliminating waste to build quality cars at a competitive price. This efficiency directly boosts profitability. When you stop wasting time and money, profit margins go up. Finally, it's essential for customer satisfaction. Operations is the machine that ensures high-quality products are delivered on time, every time. A happy customer is a repeat customer, and that loyalty is built on a foundation of great operations. Section 2. The core functions of operations management. So how does it work? Operations management relies on several core functions. Process planning and design is the blueprint for how work gets done, whether it's designing a factory assembly line or a software development cycle. Resource management is about using people, materials, and technology in the best way possible to maximize value and prevent waste. Quality control ensures that products meet customer standards. It involves monitoring how things are made and checking for flaws, which is why a Big Mac tastes the same in Tokyo or Toronto. A huge piece is inventory management, a tricky balancing act. Managers use tools to meet demand without wasting money on excess stock, a system Amazon has perfected. Finally, scheduling and maintenance creates detailed timetables and keeps equipment in working order to prevent costly breakdowns. Section 3. Modern operations management, the role of technology. The operations manager role has been transformed by technology. Today, they are data-driven strategists. A huge game changer is data analytics. Managers now use data, not gut feelings, to find bottlenecks, predict customer demand, and cut costs. This leads to automation and artificial intelligence. Robots are handling repetitive tasks, freeing up humans and creating work. AI-powered anticipate machine failures before they happen, saving a fortune in downtime. Technology also creates a digital supply chain, giving a clear view from the raw material supplier all the way to the customer. This allows companies to react much faster to disruptions. Success now requires both technical expertise and sharp leadership skills. In short, operations management